Hey guys, it's Melanie. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some outfit ideas slash the outfits that I wore for the first week of school, or like I'm calling it outfits of the week, but you know, I haven't even been to school yet, but it's just outfit ideas, okay? Huge thank you to Boohoo for sponsoring this video. It's all thanks to you guys that I am able to make videos like this, and hopefully this video still helps you guys out on being able to plan your outfits and deciding what to wear for the first week of school. All of the pieces and outfits that you'll be seeing are all from Boohoo. Boohoo has thousands of items that are super affordable. Like most of these pieces, I think actually all of them were under $100. You can click the link in my description to shop all of these looks. You can also use my promo code, which will be on the screen right here and in the description below if you want to get a discount. I know I'm definitely trying to dress a little bit nicer for senior season. You know, we're fashionable gals now. So as you can see in this video, I have a bunch of different styles, so hopefully one of them will cater to you. I incorporated a lot of different things. Some of them are a little bit more mature, things that I haven't worn in the past, but I really like how they turned out. Let's get straight into the outfits. Starting off this outfit video strong, this first outfit has got to be one of my favorites because it's super simple and comfy, yet the top has a little twist to it that makes it a little bit fancier than just a plain white tee and some jeans. This pair of mid-wash, super distressed jeans, probably my favorite pair that I own right now. I just think they have the perfect amount of distressing and it's all in the right places and they fit super well. I love the rise on them. They're like the perfect high waist and they're also a great length because I got them in petite size. To keep the look pretty casual, I'm just styling the top and jeans with these plain black sandals that are also super comfy. The top is this kind of puffer, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of a pirate, I'm not sure what it's called, off the shoulder top that has this really cute lace tie in the front. I know a lot of schools don't let you show your shoulders, but my school is really chill with the dress code, so this is totally fine. I'm also wearing this cute little dainty layered necklace that has a little butterfly charm. It's kind of hidden under the shirt, but it's still a cute little pop. Second outfit is also definitely one of my faves. It's pretty simple and really comfortable, but you look really put together. It gives off kind of a preppy little like 80s kind of grease hairspray vibe, which I really dig. This isn't something that I would typically wear to school just because I usually don't try super hard, but I think that this outfit is so adorable, so I'm definitely going to be wearing stuff like this more often. Pairing a bodysuit with a patterned skirt is honestly such a great idea for a school because it's just two pieces, but you still look really put together. To me, the star of the show in this outfit is definitely the boots. They're these white kind of like go-go boots, and I think they're actually the cutest piece ever. I am absolutely in love with them. For the top, I'm just wearing this white long sleeve that's actually a bodysuit. And then I'm just wearing this black and white checkered little mini skirt. And that is it for the second outfit. Okay, I know I'm really annoying and I've said it every time, but this outfit is also definitely one of my favorites just because I think this little set is pretty much the cutest thing ever. I know I am showing some skin with my midriff here, but I have this cute little white sweater cardigan that you can button up just to cover up a little more. Personally, my school couldn't care less if you're showing, you know, your belly button or whatever, but if your school is a little more conservative, I guess, you can just button that up. This third fit also goes along with the preppy-ish vibes. It has very schoolgirl, you know, yeah, those vibes. Love it. The base of this outfit is just this super, super adorable plaid set, and it's just this pastel plaid, which I think is pretty unique. I also really love this set because you could definitely wear either piece by itself to make 2 more cute outfits, and then bam, you just have like 3 outfits. That's kind of crazy. I also really like how this looks with the sweater buttoned up. It looks like a totally different outfit because it kind of looks like you're just wearing a bodycon dress or something like that with a sweater on top, which I really like. I love that this sweater is cropped and you can wear either as a cardigan or a button-up sweater. The top is this really flattering just box cut with the super thin straps, which I really have been into that style. And then again, I'm wearing it with the white go-go boots because those, you already know, I'm in love with them. Now on to the 4th outfit. We are really on a roll with these skirts. I probably should have spaced this out so it was like every other outfit was a skirt, but you know, I don't know. I was just feeling the skirts, okay? Which is very unlike me. You guys know that. But I really like how this outfit turned out. I just kind of imagined it in my head, and when it came together, I am so in love with it. It looks super expensive, like something you would get at Aritzia, but all the pieces were super affordable, but you still look very, very classy. I'm typically not someone to wear skirts, let alone midi skirts, just because I am literally 4 feet tall, so when I wear these long skirts, I look even shorter. But I really like how this one looks because it wraps around, so it kind of has a slit, so it doesn't look like I have absolutely no legs. I also like the little wrap because you can tie it in a bow, and I think that gives a nice little touch into like emphasizing your waist. Again, I'm just wearing the skirt with the same black strap sandals from earlier, just showing that not only can they be styled in a casual way, but also dressed up a little bit. On the top, I'm just wearing this black box cut tank top, and I'm also wearing these gold hoop earrings that I am in love with because they look super classy. Now on to the 5th outfit. I feel like this one is pretty casual, but it also looks put together at the same time. It can really go either way. I really love these platform heel sandal thingies because they look pretty fancy, I guess, but they're very comfortable to walk in. Plus, y'all know me, I'm short. They give me like a solid 4 inches. It's pretty amazing. I feel like this outfit is just a combination of a bunch of very basic pieces, which is pretty much what my style is. So I'm just wearing this plain tank top, these black skinny jeans, which I'm in love with because they fit so well. And then I just threw on this gray cable knit cardigan so that you don't get dress coded. Just kidding, I don't have a dress code, but if you want to stay warm, you know. I am in love with this little tank top just because it has a nice lace trim detail. Now on to the 6th and final outfit. This again is very basic pieces combined, but I touched in some little accessories here and there just to make it look a little bit classier and fancier. Again, I am just wearing another pair of jeans from Boohoo, which I really, really love because they're the petite size, so they're like the perfect length. These ones are like distressed boyfriend mom jeans, so they're a little bit baggy, and I really, really like how they look. On top, I'm just wearing this boxy white tee that has like pre-cuffed rolled sleeves, which I also think is a nice little detail. Again, I'm wearing the black sandals because, You know, they're comfy, they're cute, they go with the fit. They actually go with everything. So then to add a little pizzazz, I guess, I'm wearing this pre-layered gold necklace. I love that it's pre-layered. It makes it so much easier. And then I'm wearing this leopard belt, which I think is super fun. And not only is it leopard, it has a fun little buckle. Is that what it's called, I think? Yeah, decal buckle thing, which is very fun. And that is pretty much it for my sixth and final outfit. Alright guys, so those were my outfits of the week, or my 6 outfits because I had an extra one. But make sure to let me know in the comments which outfit was your favorite. And if you liked any of the pieces, make sure to check out the links below to shop them or shop the Boohoo site. Make sure to follow my Instagram if you want to see more outfit inspiration because I always post my outfits on my Instagram stories. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!